I'm going to show you how to install pop-up assembly. It's pretty much so it won't leak. I know it sounds funny, but a lot of people have trouble with pop-up assemblies leaking when they put it in. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and it should help you out. You're going to need Plumbers putty, just basic Plumbers putty works. And you're going to need pipe joint compound, or pipe dope as some people call it. And that's about it. So I have a bead of Plumbers putty here, and I'm going to put it around our pop-up like so. Also worth mentioning, oh, I threw it away already, huh? Sometimes this will come with like a little black rubber ring that they intend for you to use here. Just throw it away. So once you got your putty on here, you're gonna go ahead and stick them in the sink like so. Just try to push them down a little bit and kind of get the putty kind of centered. And I'm gonna pull down here a little bit. All right, then we're gonna leave that for now. We're gonna take this guy. All right, come down here. So we got our cone washer here and our plastic nut. If you had another piece, like another rubber black ring, like I said a moment ago, just throw it away. So we're gonna put them onto the pop-up. The bevel goes up along with the nut. And we're gonna stick them on here and we're just gonna get them tight, like hand tight, like once he takes on the threads. And get them, you know, probably about like a half an inch from the top. You see it okay? All right, now we're gonna take our pipe dope. This is the part where people are gonna like tear me apart in the comments. You have to do pipe dope. Like if you did it great, I don't care. So you're gonna take pipe dope here, no matter what your friends say, because this works. And you're just gonna smear it all up here all over the cone washer. And just get just a lot of pipe dope up on there. A lot of people find, especially when they're beginners and they install these pop-ups, that they leak on them, even when they installed it right. So you see us putting a bunch of pipe dope on here. I'm making a mess because I'm just trying to do it for the camera. But I'm gonna close my pipe dope. And now I'm gonna just kind of pull down on the pop-up here a little with one hand while I tighten the nut by hand. Just make sure it's centered, because that cone, that bevel, that cone's gonna go into the hole to make a nice seal. And this pipe dope, pipe joint compound, is gonna kind of give us like a little extra protection. Here, I'm gonna block the camera a little bit. You don't wanna go crazy tighten this nut. Like normally you don't need to put pliers on it, but it can hurt your hand a little trying to do this. But usually you don't really have to put channel locks on it. I'm gonna come up top here. And obviously you see the putty's kind of smushed out a little, so I'm gonna pull it away. Came away for like pretty good, so I think I got like a nice tight seal of my hand down there. Whew. And just get like the excess putty out. And you're pretty much set. And this is what we call like a push pop. Pop-up. So you got this guy that just slips in there. So you just push him in. It's down right now. Hit the spring. You're done. Just tilt it so the collar reads right. And clean my fingerprints off of it. It's getting better. But anyway, you're all set. I'll just come in here again. And yeah, like if you want to put channel locks on this, you could try putting maybe just a little, but you really want to be careful when you're dealing with these plastic nuts because you just don't want to over tighten them. But I think he's good. And probably the only other thing left, I don't think I have a rag on me, but you just want to kind of wipe away this excess pipe dope so it doesn't look like a mess under here for your customer. But other than that, that's how you put in a pop-up where it doesn't leak. And as far as the trap goes, that's either another video or you already know how to do it.